Very good morning, dear viewers. Today, I would like to share a concept. Now, there are two financial equations running in your country. One is the equation which is I'm about to annotate. Just give me a sec. I'm just about to annotate this equation. This is one of the equations of finance which is there in your country. Your financial equation. If you are a salaried person or a business income person, your income comes in plus. Expenses are cut, taxation is cut. Now, there are two types of taxations: indirect and direct, and then expenses are also cut, and whatever is left is the cash flow. If you have whatever is left, you create assets, or you create liabilities. So it depends what do you do with your earned money. One is this. The next is the another financial equation is I'm just going to annotate is this a particular government financial equation that is called the Sone ki Chidiya, the golden sparrow. Now, basically, what happens is there are some projects of the government in which there are grants given for the expenses. And this equation is a very beautiful equation where everything is almost plus, 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 and the expenses is almost negligible. For example, I'll give you an example. The finance ministry gives grant to project, say, a metro corporation or a metro rail corporation, and that becomes maybe a PSU or maybe a ministry, and one ministry gives a grant to another infrastructure body which gives service to the people of the country. For example, the finance ministry gives grants for 20 years, 25 years on a project of a metro rail. Now, the grant is such kind of a portion of money which that ministry of that or that corporation or that PSU of that metro rail has not to return the money to the Ministry of Finance. That is a grant. So it is given for expenses. So that means it's plus. Then that body gives, projects, small projects, road building project, electrification, labor, all small infrastructure projects to private vendors via tender. And then those people put, GST, or those people put, obviously when they're going to bill to the government or that body to get their payments, they are going to put a tax. That means this particular body is collecting tax. This Metro Rail Corporation is collecting tax, GST. That means this is plus, plus, plus. And then this Metro Rail Corporation creates burger chains, allows burger chains, shops to go on rent on its premises, on its stations. So that's a very big asset built for a long term, and cash flow is huge. The expenses of the employees, the electrification, the maintenance expenses is almost negligible. So these are two financial equations, and my innovation: economic public policy, international policy, public policy, macroeconomics or microeconomics. It helps a common man to shift from the minus minus equation to a plus plus equation. That is what is beautiful innovation which I'm going to talk today. So I'll take you to a data. I'll take you to a data of Indian Union, Indian financial budget. Now in 1947, there was 340 million population, 34 crore people. The union budget of Indian subcontinent was 197.29 crores. If you divide it, it comes out to be 6 rupees per year per person welfare service done by the government of India and the people of India. Now in 2021, what happened is the population of India was 1300 million population on 130 crore population, and the budget of the continent of Union of India was 34 lakh crore, more than 34 lakh crores. When you divide it, it comes out to be approximately 26,794 rupees per year per person welfare service done by the government on the people of India. That's what the budget is. If you check from 1947, I'll just annotate on the screen so that I can help you to understand. This is 4.61 lakh percent expenditure from 1947 to 2021. 6 rupees per year per person to 27,000 rupees per year per person in 2021. So the concept which I'm going to discuss with you, it's called the financial fortress. And that is based upon the power of the treasury system and the Ministry of Finance and its team. The beautiful, I was really, enlightened by studying the financial budgets of the Union of India, approximately 30,000 pages. One budget is 200, 300 pages it is. It goes beyond that. Annexures, datas, things on inflation and all those things, investments, diversification, taxation, advanced taxes. So it gives good knowledge of enlightenment that we need to really respect our countries. Thank you so much.